Hello everyone. With Spotfire 14.5 and later, the way that you inspect and edit column properties has evolved. The long-standing column properties dialog has been replaced by a powerful new workflow built around two complementary surfaces, the data and analysis flyout for column level editing and the data canvas for transformations and lineage. Many long-time users rely on column properties, so in this video, I'll explain how the new structure works, the immediate benefits it brings, and how to quickly transition to it with confidence. Now let's get started. Let's look at a few common tasks and where you'll find them in the updated workflow. Starting with View and Manage Column Properties. Open your Data and Analysis flyout and select the column you want to work with. Then open the details for selected column or this gear icon here. This is where you will find formatting, categories, expressions, and profiling all in this single organized place. To edit formatting of multiple columns at once, go again to your Data and Analysis flyout, but this time select Multiple Columns. Go again to the details for selected column, and from there you can set the formatting and it applies to all selected columns simultaneously. Inserting new columns can be done from two places. First, from the Data menu. This is the fastest way. Go to Data and select Add Calculated Column. You can see the Add Calculated Column dialog box appears. This is quite standard for Spotfire. You can do the same with Add Bin Column and Add Hierarchy. The second way is from the data canvas. So go to your data canvas and select the data table. Then click at the plus button on the data table node. You can see Add Calculated Column, Add Bin Column, and Add Hierarchy. And if you click on one of those, the same dialog box appears as in the data menu. You can also quickly find inserted columns by using the search bar in Data and Analysis flyout. If you want to search for a calculated column, just type column type, double colon, calculated. If you're searching for hierarchies, just replace calculated with hierarchy. And same with binned columns. This filters the list to only calculated columns or hierarchies or binned columns, even in large or complex data tables. To quickly review or modify a calculated columns formula, open again the Data and Analysis flyout and select the calculated column. Open again details for selected column, and from here you can review and edit the expression directly. Finally, custom column properties are managed at the table level. So head to your data canvas and select Data Tables from the top left panel. Then select Column Properties tab, and here you can view and manage your custom metadata. You can also add a new property. The new workflows provide a clearer, more modern structure of working with your data. It might take a moment to adjust, but the benefits like faster access and better discoverability will quickly make this your preferred way to manage column properties. And that was it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.